John Deere compact tractors are revolutionizing farming efficiency and bringing technology closer to the land. These powerful machines are designed to handle various tasks, making them essential for both small farms and large estates. With attachments ranging from loaders to mowers, these tractors are equipped to tackle any job efficiently and effectively. The user-friendly design and compact size make these tractors perfect for homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor spaces. Farmers and landscapers alike trust John Deere for their reliable performance, even in the toughest conditions. These tractors not only offer strength and durability, but also ensure safety and comfort for the operators during long hours of work. As the sun sets on another productive day, the impact of John Deere compact tractors shines through in every corner of modern agriculture. No matter the weather or terrain, these tractors are built to perform, ensuring that work continues uninterrupted. Versatility is key, as these tractors adapt to seasonal changes, providing essential services even in winter months. From tilling the soil to harvesting crops, John Deere compact tractors are integral to every stage of farming operations. With their reliable towing capacity, these tractors play a vital role in bringing farm-fresh products to the community. These tractors are more than just machines. They represent a connection between farmers and their communities, fostering collaboration and support. Perfect for both agricultural and residential settings, these tractors ensure that maintaining landscapes is easier than ever. With advanced attachments, these tractors enhance efficiency, making intricate agricultural tasks seamless and precise. These tractors are essential for specialized farming sectors, showcasing their adaptability in diverse agricultural environments. Equipped for various tasks, these tractors empower farmers to implement innovative techniques for sustainable agriculture. By supporting modern agricultural techniques, these tractors help farmers adapt and thrive in an ever-changing environment. With their powerful capabilities, these tractors prepare the land for planting, ensuring a successful growing season ahead. These tractors not only support individual farmers, but also enhance community initiatives promoting local agriculture and sustainability. Their versatility allows these tractors to assist in soil enhancement, making them invaluable for both professional and amateur gardeners. When winter arrives, these tractors prove their worth by tackling snow removal, ensuring safe access to homes and businesses. Equipped with advanced spraying technology, these tractors play a crucial role in maintaining healthy crops and maximizing yields. As day turns to night, the commitment of farmers with their John Deere compact tractors continues, embodying the spirit of agriculture. These tractors not only support agriculture, but also connect communities through educational experiences and local events. With their efficient planting capabilities, these tractors contribute significantly to seasonal events and local celebrations. These tractors are vital for environmental conservation, helping manage landscapes while promoting sustainability. By ensuring that natural spaces are well kept, these tractors contribute to the preservation of outdoor recreational areas.